Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can redeem Rakuten points. So you can see right now in my account I have 0 Rakuten points here, right? So 0 right here. And there's two ways you can redeem Rakuten points, but the most common way I think is by using it on their online store here. This is called Rakuten Ichiba, right? It's basically an online store where you can buy stuff and you can use the Rakuten points as a coupon or as a certain percent off. So for example, if you have 5,000 points, you can get 5,000 yen off. That's a gross understatement or overstatement, but you basically get the idea, right? So the way we can use it is we need to check something out. And then during that checkout process, you'll see a button called use Rakuten points, and you can use that to get a certain percent off. So for example, here I want to buy this, right? It's a fish, I think. Yeah, it's a fish. Now we just need to check out, right? So let's just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And you can see right here, like there's a couple of points off like this, right? But let's just check out immediately by pressing this button, right? I'm going to check out. I'm going to use this as well, right? Check out. Now, once it's checked out, you'll see something like this, right? And then, but you can see there's already a points to be earned here, right? So you need actual point to do first, right? But after this, you can just click on checkout here. Unfortunately, this is as much as I can take you here because to actually check out, I need an actual ID from Japan or I need to be staying in Japan, right? But after this checkout section here, you'll see an option to use your Rakuten points. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.